So my name is Kelly, or Samwel Githion, and I'm here to interact with other people, other entrepreneurs on the field, and the youth or the young people who are willing to venture into this field, into entrepreneurship. Expectations is to interact with other people, to share ideologies with them, and to also learn from them. My experience so far here, I feel so good being here. 21 Africa 2100 has really opened me up to meeting other new people and seeing what they have been doing and their thoughts. And of course, beyond what I've been experiencing. My expectations is to link up with people who are still in my field and open me up more to things that will help me in my entrepreneurship journey. And for example, like the tools and what we need as entrepreneurs, as young people in entrepreneurship journey. I actually don't have anything that I would say it should be done differently. Mine is just a commentary because 2100 Africa has actually gone beyond what I had thought of. So it has met my expectations so far, and it has gone beyond. I must say that. So not really like more of expectations, but what it will put me into.